Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing Neo Commissions. Now this is a launch that is being done by Glenn Kosky and his team on July 13th, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time, and the front end is going to go for $17. There are loads of one-time offers that I'm going to show you. Also, I'm going to provide them in the link down below so you can look at those anytime you want and get a clearer understanding. So what is Neo Commissions? It's the world's first 3-in-1 smart app built from a proven 7-figure marketing system. It is AI powered with done-for-you profit pages, and there are no websites, no funnels, and no pages to build. Okay, so we're going to look into this. Also, we're going to see bonuses that I've created that are going to help you, and it complements this app. Also, the vendor Glenn and his team have some bonuses for you as well. And we're going to look finally into the sales page and get to know a lot more about Neo Commissions. All right, so I will take you over here to my bonus page right here, guys. So this is, like I said, you've got the bonus page is going to come down on Friday, July 16th. So you still have 5 hours and 38 minutes to get this, okay, you guys? And okay, that's not right. Don't worry about that. That's not right. It is not July 16th. Okay, don't worry. You've got till the 16th. That is not right. Okay, anyways, let's get into it. So Neo Commissions is the world's best AI-powered traffic and commission app. In 60 seconds, clone our push-button system for free buyer traffic that makes us $987 in daily commissions. No website, no list, no experience, no problem. So what is Neo Commissions all about? With a powerful done-for-you profit pages, built-in traffic, and hands-free automations, it's an ultra-smart A to Z system that's ready to deliver right out of the box. So guys, how does it do it? They do it in 3 steps. Step 1, there's a login and activate any of the done-for-you profit pages. 2 is point the built-in free traffic to your AI-powered lead and commission-ready pages. And step 3, sit back and watch the results multiply as your traffic and leads keep growing. Again, this takes less than 30 seconds to activate and multiply done-for-you profit pages, never having to create any content or products. So guys, it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you just want something that can work on the side. This is already done for you and it's going to be automated. All right, doing great with without personally selling a thing, unlocking free traffic from our secret source of 300 million buyers in 1 click, and having profit pages that grow passively with zero maintenance needed, as I just discussed. And here are some of the bullet points. Next generation marketing automation driven by artificial intelligence. The 3-in-1 system has free buyer traffic, list building, and top converting offers. Ultimate hands-free method is perfect for beginners and busy marketers. Done for you market ready profits page is multiple lucrative niches. Zero maintenance updates or manual integrations required. Duplicate the process of top earners without worrying about competition. And viral traffic, over 300 million buyer source built in. No experience or tech skills, guys. So, like I said, the price, the front end, is going to be $17. Just pay a one-time fee. Now, Glenn and his team are saying, if you delay, if you decide that you want to get this later, this is probably going to be a monthly fee. So better to act sooner rather than later. Now guys, I want to take you down to my bonuses that are going to help you as well. So what I've combined here, I've got a CPA system for you, and I've got some other traffic sources, some step-by-step methods on how you can also build up your traffic. So my first bonus here is a CPA underground system. So CPA is cost per action, right? So networks will pay you to have your traffic or your customers perform a certain task. Could be something like giving their name, maybe their phone number, maybe their email address, filling out a short survey. Anyway, a small kind of task, right? And they don't need to take out their credit card bill. They don't need to pay any money, but the network will pay you 50 cents to $2, somewhere in that range, for these tasks to get done. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you add up all the traffic that can do that, that can end up being quite a nice little amount of money on a daily basis. And the trick with this bonus is the sources, hence the underground system. These are sort of underground sources that, with combined with the CPA, is a very nice little profit on a daily basis, about $100 or so. So I've included this to help you also further kind of automate some passive income ideas for you. And another one, this is a traffic system for you to build up a lot of traffic. It's called the IG Traffic Buster. So this goes into detail about how you can use a free source like Instagram to really explode your traffic. You can get a lot of eyes on what you're promoting, or something that you're offering, or just your brand, your website, whatever it is. This shows you how you can really get a lot more exposure. And of course, Instagram, you don't have to pay for it, even better. Okay, so this is going to help you really get your name out there and your, like I said, your promotions. Now another one, guys, the TikTok Titan. This is a guide, 40-page guide roughly, that goes into everything you need to know about TikTok. So maybe you were heard about TikTok, but you've never really played around with it, or you never have even just clicked on it. This shows you everything from how to click on, how to create a channel, create an account, how to make compelling, eye-catching material, videos, how to edit it. Gets into talking about ads, a complete A to Z guide on everything you need to know about TikTok. So then you can also, you've got your Instagram traffic, now you've got TikTok traffic, okay? And you've also got traffic coming in from the Neo commissions as well. Okay, and why not? Yes, we also need the other huge big daddy in social media, that's Facebook. This is another guidebook that's going to give you the ultimate Facebook traffic guide. Now again, this goes from basic things like creating a group page with your business model on it, getting peoples with like-minded ideas, businesses to come to your group, and then it just goes on from there, talking about free marketing, ads, paid, how to find the best paid ads and whatnot. It's got an all-inclusive step-by-step guide. So you've got Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, okay? And finally, vendor bonuses. So if you just click on any of these links here, guys, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to access all of these bonuses as a way of me saying thank you for using my link to purchase Neo commissions, if this is a product that you think can benefit you. So let's take a look at the sales page, and then we're going to get into the one-time offers, because there is a lot here, and there's not a lot of description here in my bonus page, but I'm going to be providing links down in the description so you can click on them and get a lot of information. And this also got calls to action. You can just click on any of those buttons inside and it'll take you to the Neo commissions page where you can purchase the front end or any of these upsells as well. So let's take a look, you guys. As we know, so this also, I'm going to have this video in the description below so you can watch this at your own time. So autopilot buyer traffic in 60 seconds, guys. We've done a lot of these already, so I don't want to just reread the same things that we've talked about. Okay, just want you to see this. So it's a free gift. The first 1,000 buyers also get the automated free traffic super bundle worth $2,000 yours for free if you're one of the first 1,000. Okay, so AI, 3 simple steps. We talked about that. You log in and activate, point the built-in free traffic, sit back and watch the results multiply. So here are some case studies here. So the last 7 days, 2,000. Last 7 days, 5,000. Last 7 days, almost 12,000. Last 7 days, almost $18,000, guys. So you can see by these pictures here, these images, some people are doing very well. These people that have already case studied Neo commissions, they're doing excellent. And again, we've got some testimonials here. You can read them on your own time. I'm just going to leave it here. So if you want, you can pause it here. Again, you can pause it here. It's a 3-in-1 app. So I'm going to take you down. So Neo commissions, they got their inspiration from people like these guys. So Grant and Russell, big guys in affiliate marketing, online sales. So this is the exact same proven process used by 7- and 8-figure marketers like these guys, all right? Okay, I'm gonna just take you down to all right, so guys, in 60 seconds flat, Neo commissions can drive traffic to any link, website, or funnel that you're promoting, including links from the following. So Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore, 24, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Max Bounty, or your own products. So all of the big online branches this has access to, okay? Okay, and so you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Paid traffic, a website, an emailing list, no tech skills, additional software, none of that stuff. Domains. Okay. All right, so here we go. Crush the competition. So you've got consumer triggered conversions, you've got top paying offers and untapped niches, automation technology. Okay. And guys, let's go down to the bonuses. So these are extra bonuses that you'll be getting on top of the bonuses that they're providing in my link, okay, in my bonus page. So here we go. We're not stopping there. Your Neo commissions access includes these bonuses worth thousands. So bonus number 1, $2,000 per day from the home profit loophole. Bonus number 2, make commissions in 60 seconds. Bonus number 3, $500 per hour ClickBank affiliate system. And bonus number 4, $5 million underground internet blueprint. All right, so guys, now I'm going to take you just to the basic summary of everything that you're going to get with their system. Also, there is a 180-day money-back guarantee. All right, here it is, guys. So here's a list of everything you're going to get. And on top of that, you're also going to get my bonuses as well. So you're going to get the brand new NEO commission app, step-by-step video, tutorials and profit strategies, built-in free traffic, AI-powered, done-for-you profit pages, and on and on and on. You guys can look at this at your own time. You don't need me to be reading it for you. I'm sure you know how to read. Okay, so with a combined total of $12,814. And guys, this is Glenn Koski. He is the front man, if you will, for this product, and his team and him designed this. And just a few frequently asked questions before we just summarize. So what devices does this work on? Okay, it's web-based software, so it works on any device. You don't need any tech skills, no monthly costs. How long does it take to set up? 60 seconds, and it is easy to scale. Okay, guys, and just so you know, this is one of the upsells. So if I just go back here, the unlimited version, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to provide links into all the upsells. So this is what it's going to look like. There's a short video. Again, it's going to be talking a little bit about each one. I'll let you look at this on your own time. All the things that you're going to be getting, and of course the call to actions. And you're going to get these So there are quite a few in here. So you can look at all of these on your own time. I don't want to do, that'll be an hour-long video, and I'm sure you don't want to go through all of that because these are quite lengthy. So I will just provide it for you. Okay. You're also getting some extra bonuses with these upsells as well. So you're going to get the full-length video series, the fast start guide, huge monetary totals here. Wow. And you're going to get all this. So again, look in my description below and you're going to get all this stuff. Okay. All right, you guys. So the upsells, like we said, this probably in the future going to be $197 per month, just $17 now. And you're going to get all that information. One-time offer number 1, the unlimited version, which I just showed you at $67, downsell to $37. The one-time offer 2, the 100% done for you. The one-time offer 3, unlimited traffic at $97, downsell to $47. Number 4 at automation, $67, downsell to $37. And one-time offer number 5, the ATM at $197, downsell to $47. The ultimate at $197, $47, and license rights at $67 with a downsell of $37. So there is plenty to shop around for here. Like I said, they're going to be down here, so just take a look. And just to summarize, the 6 crucial reasons you need Neo Commissions now. The world's first 3-in-1 smart app built from a proven 7-figure marketing system. AI-powered, done-for-you profit pages do all the heavy lifting for you. Free buyer traffic from our source of 300 million targeted buyers. One-click profit page activation and zero maintenance. Under-the-radar offers and niches with practically zero competition, guys. That is a key factor. And no websites, no funnels, and no pages to build. So just click on any of these. Like I say, it'll take you here. Okay. And you're going to get all my bonuses as well as a way of saying thank you from me to you. All right. And that's me, Kieran Hogg, guys. So this wraps up my review on Neo Commissions. I hope this was some help for you. There's lots of things in here that can help you. You can put it on autopilot, and I hope you get the commissions. I hope this is your great way to get ahead with affiliate marketing. Thank you very much for your time, and please click the link if you want to get it. Use my affiliate link, and stay tuned for more great reviews, hacks, and tips. This is Kieran Hogg signing off. Thank you very much.